अल-फरीद इस्लामिक मॉडल स्कूल, मेन कैंपस किला कलरवाला, अल-फरीद ज़ैनब कैंपस दाता ज़ैदका में 23 टू 28 अक्टूबर तक साइंस वीक मनाया गया, जिसमें बच्चों ने बड़ी मेहनत के साथ मॉडल्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स तैयार किए और 8 नवंबर को इन मॉडल्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स को नुमाइश के लिए रखा गया। नुमाइश में इलाका भर के सैकड़ों की तादाद में मर्दों ख़वातीन ने शिरकत की और बच्चों की मेहनत और तख्लीकी सलाहियतों पर दंग रह गए। साइंस एग्जीबिशन का इफ्तिताह मैम फरा नसीम और सर गुलाम फरीद बेगम ने फीता कट करके किया और बच्चों ने भरपूर क्लैपिंग के साथ उनका इस्तकबाल किया। इसके बाद मैम और सर बच्चों के मुख्तलिफ स्टॉल्स पर गए और उनके बनाए गए मॉडल्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स को देखा और उनके हवाले से प्रेजेंटेशन सुनी।
Beautiful place full of light, but unfortunately our activities are harming our world. There's some ways to save our earth. We need to plant more trees, ride a bicycle instead of vehicles to stop pollution. When you brush your teeth, turn off tap. Save animals, don't cut trees, stop pollution. Rockets emit very poisonous gases which are very harmful for our health. Throw rubbish in the dustbin. In these ways we can save our earth. Have you any question?
From class 7. And here's my model named vacuum cleaner. First of all, I want to tell you that what is vacuum cleaner. An electric operator that by means of suction collect dust and other particles from floors or other surfaces. The word vacuum comes from the fact that it uses the force of vacuum to suck dirt into its large chamber, for which it can be dumped into the garbage. Herbert Cecil Both invented vacuum cleaner in 1901. The material required in this model are thermocol balls.
DNA is meant by deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is the molecule which carries genetic information for the development and functioning of an organism. DNA is made with two analog strands which wind around each other to resemble a twisted ladder. A shape is known as double L.
हमारे लिए बड़े एजाज़ की बात है कि आज साइंस एग्जीबिशन में चेयरमैन हसन स्कॉलर्स स्कूल सिस्टम जनाब अहमद सईदुल हसन और मिसेस अहमद सईदुल हसन भी तशरीफ़ लाए।
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kratan from level 7. Today my project name is drought disaster. First of all, I tell you about how can we explain drought. Drought is a period of time when there is not enough water to support agriculture and human need.
उन्होंने भी मुख्तलिफ साइंसी स्टॉल्स पर मौजूद बच्चों के मॉडल्स देखे और उनकी प्रेजेंटेशन सुनी और बच्चों और असातिज़ा की मेहनत और कारकर्दगी को खूब सराहा और उनकी बहुत तारीफ की। हम साइंस एग्जीबिशन में तशरीफ़ लाने वाले सैकड़ों मर्दों ख़वातीन की आमद पर उनके शुक्रगुज़ार हैं कि वो तशरीफ़ लाए, हमारे बच्चों की सलाहियतों को देखा और उनकी हौसला अफजाई फरमाई। हम हमेशा उनके शुक्रगुजार रहेंगे।
Hello, my name is Hamad. I am chemist.
My name is Arham. I am biologist.
My name is Ahmad. I am physicist.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Annie Ghazal and I'm from class 7. And here's my model named vacuum cleaner. First of all, I want to tell you that what is vacuum cleaner? An electric operator that by means of suction collect dust particles and other particles from floors or other surfaces.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zara from class 6. Today I am here to present my model solar system. First of all, I will explain its definition. There are 9 planets in our solar system: Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Mercury, Pluto, Neptune and Saturn. Let's start with Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Saturn
Saving our Earth and its environment becomes highly important as it provides us food and water to sustain life. Earth is a beautiful place full of life, but unfortunately our activities are harming our world. There are some easy ways to save our Earth.
First of all, I will explain its definition. Plants make their food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salar and my project name is Dam. Dam plays an important role to run our country. We can store water in dam to save the flood and can use this water to make electricity to overcome the load shedding.
Assalamualaikum, this is Fiza Afzal and I'm from class 7. Today I'm going to tell you that why our school celebrates science exhibition. First of all, we all want to know that what is science. So in general, science involves inquiry of knowledge covering general truths. Every year our school celebrates a science exhibition. We are celebrating this exhibition since 2018 and believe me, every time we get to know a new thing about science. The main purpose of celebrating this exhibition is to get children inspired by science.
Class 7. And today I'm going to tell you that what is science exhibition and why we celebrate science exhibition. Let me tell you that what is exhibition. Works of art held in an art gallery, museum or at trade fairs is called exhibition. Today we are here for science exhibition. In simple terms, a science exhibition is an event hosted by schools that deal with multiple projects that employ different scientific methods. Science exhibition play an important role in encouraging students. It allows them to find their answers on their own. Every year we celebrate science exhibition.